What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. First of all, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, just go ahead and click on the subscribe button right now so you won't miss any of my videos going forward. This video is going to be a wash and go, and basically I'm going to be using a new product that I never tried before. I never tried any product in this line, and this is the Aunt Jackie's Curl Boss Coconut Curling Gelee. And so this, like, I admit that I'm a product junkie and I use a whole bunch of different brands, whole bunch of different products, white products, black products, whatever. But I've never tried Aunt Jackie's, and the reason I just kind of strayed away from this, or not strayed away, I stayed away from it, and the reason is because it just seemed like, you know, just another one of those ghetto products that come out. It's like there was Miss Jessie's and Uncle Funky's and Aunt Jackie's and all this kind of stuff. I'm like, hey, this just somebody throwing some products together, jumping on a bandwagon. And I believe I probably was wrong, and the reason is because I've been watching some YouTube videos and people are like saying all these good things about the ingredients that are used in Aunt Jackie's. So I went and I went to a beauty supply store and I was looking at some of the products, and it's like there's some really good stuff in here. And so this actually, I mean, this is way better than Miss Jessie's will ever be, just by reading what's in the ingredients. And so it says it's for natural curls, coils, and waves, of course, and it's enriched with coconut oil. I know a lot of people in the natural hair community have started not using coconut oil because they said it's like irritating them or making their hair fall out or something like that. I still use it. I still think it works really good. As far as I know, I'm forever going to use coconut oil, so I love products that have coconut oil in them. And it says this is frizz control that helps deliver impressive definition, shine, and softness without a stiff, tacky feel, and helps minimize shrinkage. I personally don't really care about the shrinkage, and when I look for products, I'm not looking for something that minimizes shrinkage, because I actually like my hair to shrink up a little bit, because my hair, it's like, I don't know, it's really hard to explain, but it's hard to make it curl up, so I want it to shrink. I don't want to minimize the shrinkage necessarily, but I mean, it's okay if it does. So I washed my hair already and I deep conditioned it, just my normal weekly routine. And so I'm just going to go ahead and get started and show you guys what this product is going to do my hair. Like I said, this is my first time using this, so I don't know if it's going to be good or bad, but I'm just hoping that it's really going to turn out good, because I don't want to have to redo my hair. Okay, so let me just stop. Now, I know a lot of people, when they do wash and goes, like, they really are trying to define, and they'll take like little pieces like this and put some product in and do all that. I try to stay away from that. I'm a lazy natural, like I say all the time. And if something's gonna take me that long to do a wash and go that might not even turn out, I'm not gonna even waste my time doing that. If I can't get my curls defined and my curls to pop just by applying the product, then I don't even want to do that kind of style. So I'm doing bigger sections than what you're probably used to. Like this is not too big. So here's what my hair looks like just after being deep conditioned. So there's curl in there, definitely. Okay, it smells okay. It's not real loud. It has like a fake coconut smell, and I still don't know why people add. Well, let me see what it says on here, see if there's any added fragrance before I speak too soon. I can't find it. Oh. Am I trying to read too fast? I said it was a fake coconut smell, but I don't know if I see fragrance on here. Oh, parfum. So yeah, it is in there, fake coconut smell. I wish they would just use just a normal natural coconut smell, but whatever. So this is, it's gel, maybe a little bit is gelée, so a little bit thicker than just gel. It's more like a jelly. I guess that's what gelée is. Gelee. That was actually a little bit too much. I'm gonna get that much. Okay, so this is what I do normally to define my curls. First of all, my hair is warm and my hair is getting dry already. I'm spraying a little bit more water in it. Okay, so this is what it looks like just with the product without me doing anything. That actually looks pretty good, but I want to make sure the product is all the way through without having to part in little bitty pieces. So I'm gonna take my detangling brush and go like that. I know some people are probably like cringing. It's like, oh, she's combing her curls out. No, if this product is good, because I've done this with other products before, my curls will bounce right back in, and as you can see, that's what it's doing right now. If you can't, like, literally, I know you shouldn't when you're doing a wash go, you shouldn't like manipulate your hair a whole bunch because it'll cause frizz and just, you might be like raking the curls out or whatever. But if you can't manipulate a little bit and you literally have to be all careful, you can barely touch your hair, I say probably find a different product or something, because the one you're using is not that great. So the other key, I think everybody that has ever done a wash and go knows this already, but I'm gonna say it again, is when you do a wash and go, you have to get the product on every single strand, or else when it dries, the parts that don't have the product on it is gonna look way different than the rest of it. In other words, it's gonna be a frizzy, like afro like hair. And the whole point of doing wash and go, you didn't want an afro, or else you would have did just wore your hair in an afro. I believe if you do wash and go, you probably want your curls to be defined. So get it on every single piece, don't miss any. Now I can tell already, this stuff does not feel like regular gel. Like I said, it's, I guess because it's Gelee or whatever, or it's because it's got really good ingredients. I really like the way it's making my hair feel. Now if you go check out one of my other videos where I use curl, I can't remember what the video is called, just check my channel. I use like a curl activator, and the wash and go turns out really good, but I will say it's the next day or when it dries, it is a little bit sticky, and I don't really like that. It's doable and I like it, and I like that product, but if you're the type that doesn't like sticky, though, I wouldn't go for the curl activator, not the one that I use anyway. And I guess what I'm doing is kind of like, part on this, a shingling method. I'm using a brush though. I think some people just use their hands. And you don't have to comb it a whole bunch. I know you guys are probably looking like, dang, her hair is just straight, there's barely any curl. Trust me, when this dries, it will curl up. At least, it might not be like spiral like that, but it will curl up way better than this. Okay, so here is my hair after I've distributed the product all over, and it's still wet right now. I think I got it pretty good. And as you see, these little straight pieces. So my hair right here is not that tightly coiled, but I know for a fact there's no kind of damage from that. This right here is, I think, the result of, like I've said in my previous videos, I used to color my hair a lot, like lightened. I had it bleached and everything, and I ruined my hair. And I'm pretty positive that's what that's from, because I don't put, last time I had heat in my hair was a year ago, and it wasn't damaged after that. So I'm pretty sure the color did that, but that's why these pieces are so stringy up front. I'll be glad when that grows in. But the rest of my hair is just loose like this. I don't know why. So I'm going to, it's hot, but I'm gonna turn the fan on and I'm gonna sit under the dryer, and it's probably only gonna take like 30 minutes or 45 minutes to dry. And even if it's still a little bit wet, I don't mind. I just don't like my hair soaking wet. And then I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's dry. Okay, I'm back. I sat under the dryer. It was actually less than 45 minutes. It was like probably between 30-35 minutes or something like that. My hair is mostly dry. I'll say in the roots it's still a little bit damp, but nothing really bad, and it's hot outside. As soon as I go out, that will probably dry. But listen, you guys, this stuff right here, and the thing is, this is a 15-ounce jar, and I think it only costs like $7.99 at Target, and maybe it's even cheaper at you guys' Targets. Where I live, everything's more expensive, it seems like. But my hair, oh my gosh, you guys remember how I was brushing through it and it was like going straight? Look at these curls now. Curls are super defined, and even the parts that I said was damaged and they're all straight, they even curled up too. That's just crazy. My hair does not feel crunchy at all. It does not feel sticky. It's just like my hair or something. It's really weird. This is a really good product, you guys. I highly recommend this. And even, like I said, I have another video if you want to check that out. I used curl activator in my hair, and that's good. And the thing is, you can get a big old jar at Sally for like $5.99 or something. But this, it smells better, it feels better, it does not have that sticky curl activator feel to it or anything like that. It's not crunchy. It's just, my hair is just soft. The curls are like really defined. And then, like I said, for me, now some of you guys might not like this. It's supposed to stop shrinkage. Like I told you guys, I wanted my hair to curl up, and it did just that. So it made my curls just really pop. This stuff is awesome. I'm definitely gonna buy that again, or keep this as a staple for gel. I think this works better than just like Echo Style Gel as far as for a wash and go. Now, I don't think this would slick your edges down or anything like that, but as far as making your curls pop, this definitely is it right here. And based off this Gelee, I'm going to go and try some more of the Aunt Jackie's products, because she has a lot of stuff with like flaxseed oil or gel or something in it, and just coconut oil, and a lot of good ingredients. So I'm going to check out the rest of Aunt Jackie's product lines, and so stay tuned for more videos with that. I just can't stop playing with my hair. I just love it. I can't believe it. It's dry. It's not like I'm faking and saying that it's dry and it's actually wet. It's all the way dry practically, except for in the roots. This is just amazing. And it even, like, normally when I do wash go, I have to put a little gel right there because my edges are like super nappy, and I didn't even have to do that this time. This stuff just like made it look so soft and silky on the edges. I just can't believe it. I'm just like really happy. I'm shook. I just can't wait to try the rest of the Aunt Jackie products. But anyway, so if you, like I mentioned before, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I haven't been posting a lot on Instagram, but check out my Instagram too. It's @naturalboss. I'm trying to start posting more on Instagram as well, and I will see you in the next video.